Welcome to SolidCAM University. In this video, we'll continue our series of the HSR-HSM constraint boundary options. In this video, we'll be talking about the created automatically option, third in the list, called auto-created silhouette. So the auto-created silhouette is still using your stock and target definitions to define those boundaries. If we take a look at that, basically what that auto-created silhouette is from your target solid. So if we take a look at this from the top view, you'll see that I have both an outside and an inside edge to my target model. Now, if I want to limit the travel of my tool to only inside the part, basically just inside the edges of the part, getting that kind of donut shape, I can get that to auto-create for me using the auto-created silhouette. And if we take a look at that, it actually projects the outer edges and the inner edges to my constraint boundary. So now I get that inner and outer range that I can work within. And that's all based off of the shape of your target definition, your target solid. Stay tuned for the rest of the options in this YouTube playlist.